Namaste and welcome to this special Ram Navami session on the meditation. Jai Shri Ram, Namaste, and we shall begin in a couple of minutes. Alright, let's begin the session. So Namaste and welcome once again to this special edition of a meditation session, a guided meditation session on a very special day, the Ram Navami. We shall be looking at the meditation in the Baita form or the Baita meditation, which will last for about 45 to 60 minutes. I would recommend you to sit in a room where there is no noise or where you will not be disturbed. Also power down the lights. Make sure that you do not sit where there is bright natural light yet, because it's still time for sunset. Also do not switch on very powerful lights. Dim the lights and sit in a room which is peaceful and quiet, where you will not be disturbed for at least the next 1 hour. Sitting comfortably into a cross-legged position, let us assume the position of a Sukhasana, where we begin the session as usual with the Omkar and the prayer, and then we will move to the guided meditation. Make sure that you are absolutely comfortable. Make sure you're seated onto the floor on a mat or any kind of a chatai or a small carpet. Once you are seated, we are not going to be moving out of that position for at least 40 minutes. So make sure before you sit down, you stretch yourselves and make your body aware to get into a deep relaxation seated, as well as also making sure that your mind gets into that mode. So let's begin the session with no further wastage of time by dropping the hands into the Chin Mudra. Placing them on the knees, the back straight, the shoulders rolled behind, the eyes gently closed and the chin parallel to the floor. Relax the whole body and gently breathe in and breathe out in a very controlled manner, shutting out all thoughts from the mind. Mangalam Pundarikaksha Mangalaya Tanohari. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Gently bring the palms together, rub them together, create warmth and heat. Cup your eyes, feel the energy and the warmth. Open the eyes inside slowly and then release and relax. Namaste and welcome once again to this Ram Navami special meditation session. We shall begin the session right away. So as I said initially, make sure that you are seated comfortably into a position where you will not be disturbed, in a room where you will not be disturbed, where there is not much disturbances or noises around you. Also make sure that the lights that you switch on are powered down and not very bright light. So choose your seating, whether a Sukhasana, Ardha Padmasana, Purna Padmasana or a Siddhasana, whichever that makes you comfortable, because for the next 40 odd minutes we will not be moving out of this position at all. Remember, meditation has nothing to do with being religious or with religion. It is more to do with your connection with the Supreme Force or the Supreme Consciousness. But because we have so many festivals and other things related to Hinduism that keep on cropping up every month, I normally like to relate everything with our spiritual anecdotes along with the religious importances. So today's function and today's meditation program is dedicated to Lord Ram. Since it is Ram Navami, we shall begin with the Ram Raksha Stotra, which will calm the mind and take us towards our inner self, one bit at a time. As we pay attention to our breathing, close our mind to all thoughts, and exclusively look inward, withdraw our senses and sit there absolutely with a stoic sense of complete peace. As we go through the Rama Raksha Stotra, let us sit comfortably into the cross-legged position and take the hands to the Chin Mudra. Drop it onto the knees. This is going to be the first phase of the meditation. Just listening to the Rama Raksha and closing your eyes, bringing all your awareness towards your inner self, observing your breath and sitting comfortably.
इति ध्यानं चरितं रघुनाथस्य शतकोटि प्रविस्तरम्.
Make sure your body is absolutely comfortable. Be close to all external disturbances and pay attention only to my voice and the stotra or the mantra japan. Breathing calm and take the mind's attention to the breath. Disregard whatever discomfort or anything that you may feel physically in the body and bring your mind towards your breath.
Shiro me Raghava patu bhalan dasharathatmajah kausalyeyo drushau patu Vishwamitra priya shruti dhranam patu makhatrata mukham saumitri vatsalah jivham vidyanidhi patu कंठं भरतवन्तं
For those of you getting or indulging into the meditation for the first time, you will experience a little uneasiness with the physical body, the legs going to sleep, or any other kind of discomfort. Kindly disregard, ignore, and fight that feeling. Remember, you will control your mind and not vice versa. The more still you sit, the better it is for you to be able to bring your mind to focus, ekagrata, and one-pointedness, dhyana, and then dharana. Of course, dharana comes before the dhyana. Dharana is getting into the pose or into the phase, and then dhyana is concentrating, focusing. There will be thoughts coming and going out of your mind. You will be distracted. Learn to disregard it and keep on paying attention to the stotra pathan and the breath.
रामेति रामभद्रेति रामचन्द्रेति वा स्मरन् नरो न लिप्यते पापैर्भुक्तिं मुक्तिं च विन्दति जगज्जैत्रैकमन्त्रेण रामनाम्नाभिरक्षितम् यः कण्ठे धारयेत् तस्य करस्थाः सर्वसिद्धयः वज्रपञ्जरनामेदं यो रामकवचं स्मरेत् अव्याहताज्ञः सर्वत्र लभते जयमङ्गलम् आदिष्टवान् यथा स्वप्ने राम रक्षामि मां हरः तथा लिखितवान् प्रातः प्रबुद्धो बुधकौशिकः आरामः कल्पवृक्षाणां विरामः सकलापदाम् अभिरामस्त्रिलोकानां रामः श्रीमान् सनः प्रभुः तरुणौ रूपसम्पन्नौ सुकुमारौ महाबलौ पुण्डरीकविशालाक्षौ चीरकृष्णाजिनाम्बरौ फलमूलाशिनौ दान्तौ तापसौ ब्रह्मचारिणौ पुत्रौ दशरथस्यैतौ भ्रातरौ रामलक्ष्मणौ शरण्यौ सर्वसत्त्वानां श्रेष्ठौ सर्वधनुष्मताम् रक्षः कुलनिहन्तारौ त्रायेतान्नो रघूत्तमौ आत्तसज्जधनुषा विशुस्पृशा वक्षया शुगनिषङ्गसङ्गिनौ रक्षणाय मम राम लक्ष्मणा.
You need to make sure that you pay close attention to the breathing. With every inhalation, pay attention. Observe what is happening to the body and the nasal passage. And with every exhalation, do the same thing. Pay a very close attention. This will help you to shut your mind of all thoughts and bring your attention towards your inner self.
पुराणपुरुषोत्तमः जानकी वल्लभः श्रीमान् अप्रमेय पराक्रमः इत्येतानि जपन् नित्यं मद्भक्तः श्रद्धयान्वितः अश्वमेधाधिकं पुण्यं सम्प्राप्नोति न संशयः रामं दूर्वादलश्यामं पद्माक्षं पीतवाससं स्तुवन्ति नामभिर्दिव्यैर्न ते संसारिणो नरः रामं लक्ष्मणपूर्वजं रघुवरं सीतापतिं सुन्दरं काकुत्स्थं करुणाणवं गुणनिधिं विप्रप्रियं धार्मिकं राजेन्द्रं सत्यसन्धं दशरथतनयं श्यामलं शान्तमूर्तिं वन्दे लोकाभिरामं रघुकुलतिलकं राघवं रावणारिं रामाय रामभद्राय रामचन्द्राय वेधसे रघुनाथाय नाथाय सीतायाः पतये नमः श्रीराम राम रघुनन्दन राम राम श्रीराम राम भरताग्रज राम राम श्रीराम राम रणकर्कश राम राम श्रीराम राम शरणं भव राम राम श्रीरामचन्द्र चरणौ मनसा स्मरामि श्रीरामचन्द्र चरणौ वचसा गृह्णामि श्रीरामचन्द्र चरणौ शिरसा नमामि श्रीरामचन्द्र चरणौ शरणं प्रपद्ये माता रामो मत्पिता रामचन्द्रः स्वामी रामो मत्सखा रामचन्द्रः सर्वस्वं मे रामचन्द्रो दयालुः नान्यं जाने नैव जाने न जाने दक्षिणे लक्ष्मणो यस्य वामे तु जनकात्मजा पुरतो मारुतिर्यस्य तं वन्दे रघुनन्दनं लोकाभिरामं रणरङ्गधीरं राजीवनेत्रं रघुवंशनाथं कारुण्यरूपं करुणाकरन्तं श्रीरामचन्द्रं शरणं प्रपद्ये मनोजवं मारुततुल्यवेगं जितेन्द्रियं बुद्धिमतां वरिष्ठं वातात्मजं वानरयूथमुख्यं श्रीरामदूतं शरणं प्रपद्ये कूजन्तं राम रामेति मधुरं मधुराक्षरम् आरुह्य कविताशाखां वन्दे वाल्मीकिकोकिलम् आपदामपहर्तारं दातारं सर्वसम्पदां लोकाभिरामं श्रीरामं भूयो भूयो नमाम्यहम् भर्जनं भवबीजानामर्जनं सुखसम्पदां तर्जनं यमदूतानां राम रामेति गर्जनं रामो राजमणिः सदा विजयते रामं रमेशं भजे रामेणाभिहता निशाचरचमू रामाय तस्मै नमः रामान्नास्ति परायणं परतरं रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम् रामे चित्तलयः सदा भवतु मे भो राम मामुद्धर राम रामेति रामेति रमे रामे मनोरमे सहस्रनाम तत्तुल्यं राम नाम वरानने इति श्रीबुधकौशिकविरचितं श्रीरामरक्षास्तोत्रं सम्पूर्णम् श्री सीतारामचन्द्रार्पणमस्तु।
Relax and slowly open your eyes. We'll go to the deep phase of the meditation, the second phase. This is a time for new meditation experiencing people. If you want, you can just get up, stretch your legs, stretch your body, and then sit down and get ready for the second phase. Ram embodies the Sarva Guna Sampurna Purushaha. So obviously we will be looking at qualities that enhance these in our own self. We will be balancing one of the biggest and the most important chakras in our body. That's the Anahata Chakra, the heart. It's the seat of emotions and love. So let us balance the chakra, balance all the emotions, and open it up to more love and affection and peace. So now is the time where I will be guiding you step by step into the phase of the deep meditation. So once again, seating down into a comfortable position. You can choose the Brahmanjali Mudra, where you drop the left palm inside the lap and the right palm on top of it, with the two thumbs joined at the tips. Either the Brahmanjali Mudra or the Chin Mudra, whichever that suits you. Back straight, chin slightly bent or dropped down towards the chest. And now, with the eyes closed, just sit there as I guide you through to a relaxation and a deep meditation. as your body has relaxed, as you are sitting comfortably, with the eyes shut and the eyeballs absolutely steady, make sure your breathing is also in a normal mode. The entire physical self is relaxed. The mind is at ease, and the breathing is in a comfortable manner. Slowly and steadily, we shall be moving our mind's attention towards the Anahata Chakra or the heart chakra, one of the 7 chakras present in our physical body. This chakra is the seat of emotions and love, peace, and other positive emotions that we will be talking about in a couple of minutes. Imbalance of this chakra can lead to problems related to heart conditions, palpitations, blood pressure issues, and also misguided emotions, mixed emotions, which can lead to upheaval of a lot of issues within the physical self and the mind. With every deep inhalation and exhalation, we shall pay a conscious attention and focus towards the heart. Take the mind's attention there and try to see if we can observe our own pulse rate. Try to see if we can catch hold of the beating of our heart. Feel the beats of the heart. As we sit there comfortably, looking inward. I will be chanting a few omkars, after which I will talk about the emotions. Keep on observing your heartbeats or your pulse rate with your mind's eye, which will help you to shut out all thoughts from the mind, bringing you back to ekagrata and mindfulness, one-pointedness. As you sit there looking inward, pacing and placing all your mind's attention towards the heartbeats, open up your heart to love, open up it to receiving. Most important, open it up to forgiving. Inculcate the positive emotions of prem, maya, karuna, daya. Try to throw out and banish the emotions of dvesh, lobha, moha, matsar, rag. Learn to be at peace with your situations. Learn to be at peace with yourself. Always try to walk away from negative situations rather than them affecting you. Stay away from negative people, negative thoughts. Something that gives you a negative vibe, simply walk out. Do not attach. Detach yourself completely. Connected to everything, yet detached from everything. This should be the way you balance your anahata, in turn balancing your life, bringing peace. Continue sitting there with positive thoughts in the mind and paying attention to the beating of the heart. Shri Ram is the embodiment of Mahavishnu, the one of the main pillars of the Trinity. How can we not go ahead without invoking Mahavishnu's presence and going to the Vishnu Stuti? So in the next few minutes we'll go to the Vishnu Stuti, and then the last part of the deep meditation, once again imbibing the frequencies that match the frequencies of the brain, bringing the brain activity absolutely to a relaxed position, bringing your body to a relaxed position. We shall then walk to the end of the meditation after the Vishnu Stuti. Once again, take all your mind's attention towards your heartbeats. Closing your mind to each and every thought. Put an end to the self talk or the self chatter that we often indulge in with ourselves in the mind. Banish it, put an end to it completely, and keep on observing the breathing and feel the heartbeats. Looking inward once again for the last phase of this meditation. Absorbing the frequencies that match the frequencies of our brain. Relax the mind, relax the body, quieten the mind, ease the breath. Gently we are going to be exiting the deep meditation step by step. Bring your physical body's attention to the fore. You can wiggle your toe tips and your fingertips slightly to wake up the physical body. Mind you, keep your eyes shut till the end. Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Gently bring the palms together, rub them together, create heat and warmth in the palms. Cup your eyes, feel the energy, and then slowly opening the eyes, drop your arms down, relax, release, and recover. This was a very basic meditation, especially for beginners. I thank each one of you for joining me, giving me their precious time this evening. I would recommend you to now make sure that you do not step out into bright lights, loud music, loud talking. Refrain from all of these activities. Have a nice light dinner and sleep as early as possible tonight, because the brain activity has been reduced, your body is at ease, and you have completely gone to a backup mode of revival and relaxation. With that, I also want to make one announcement with my ongoing lockdown special yoga sessions, which are free and open to everybody. These will continue as long as the lockdown continues, at least for the next 20-25 days. However, the timings and the days have changed a little bit starting tomorrow. So every Monday, Wednesday and Friday, we shall have the yoga session at 7 o'clock in the morning. And every Tuesday and Thursday, we shall have it at 6 o'clock in the evening. So I hope to see you for tomorrow evening's yoga session at 6 o'clock. Stay safe, maintain social distance, wear a mask if at all you're stepping outside, but avoid leaving your homes. Be healthy and have absolutely home-cooked food. With that thought in mind, I wish you all a very peaceful night, a very well-rested night. Thank you for joining me this evening. Namaste. Dharmo rakshiti rakshitaha. Hari Om Tat Sat. Namaste. Thank you and good night.